It's been a couple of days on Gran Canaria and it was time to explore the island a bit more. One of the closest places to our hotel was Puerto de Mogán. We noticed that it's often the last bus stop on many roads, probably because there is no highway beyond that point. We decided to make a small day trip to Puerto de Mogán. It's really beautiful. The city or the town is called Little Venice because it has, I think, 1 or 2 canals and the harbor. To be honest, I'm not sure Venice is the best comparison. Or maybe we just visited during low tide and that's why the canals looked empty. Still, there are quite a few Italian restaurants around, so there is definitely some Italian charm. There is like a beautiful point over here overlooking the port and the cliffs and the beach somewhere there. So, I mean, if you are in the neighborhood, it's really nice to check out. But apart from that, I doubt that there is something special about it. There are a lot of beautiful white houses and they resemble those in Greece for some reason. Maybe it's also common for Spanish islands, I don't know, but I've been only in Greece and it's my first time in Gran Canaria or like any other Spanish island. But yes, it looks very cute, so if you have time you can check it out. By the way, finding the viewpoint is relatively easy. There are plenty of signs, but be prepared to climb quite a few stairs. As for the houses, an interesting fact is that a local regulation ensures no building exceeds 2 stories, which helps preserve the town's intimate, village-like atmosphere. On Fridays, there is also supposed to be a local market with fresh produce, clothing and souvenirs. We visited Puerto de Mogán on a different day, so unfortunately we missed the market. There is also a public beach there, which is somewhat cheaper than the nearby Amadores Beach. A sunbed or umbrella costs $3.50 compared to $5 at Amadores. You'll also find various rentals available like jet skis. Las Palmas was on our agenda because we wanted to visit the banana plantation. I also really wanted to check out the old town, that's why we came back. Fun fact, Christopher Columbus stayed here before sailing to the Americas, and there is even a museum dedicated to the fact. Apart from the old city, Las Palmas seemed very urban and residential. I'm not sure if there are other cool places for sightseeing, although there are definitely some other activities you can do around. We are also quite lucky that the Amadores Beach is like right in front of our hotel, so it's like one of the main attractions here on Gran Canaria, and it's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing to swim there and just to look at it. Amadores Beach is a man-made beach created with imported white sand, mostly from the Caribbean or Sahara regions. The sunsets there are absolutely amazing. On clear days, you can even see the silhouette of Tenerife and the peak of Mount Teide on the horizon. We also found a small golf field nearby, but it was our last day, so we didn't try to play. And that is it about our summer vacation on Gran Canaria. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.